Sparklebox. Today let us do acrylic mountain painting. Are you looking for some creative activity kits that can enhance your skills? Then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. We have wide range of activity kits, grade wise and age wise over there. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Sparklebox. Your support means a lot to us. Now let's get started with our DIY. We just need 5 materials to make this DIY, and they are Art 5, painting brushes, acrylic colors, water and pencil. Let's take an art file and draw a rough mountain figure on it. Now observe the colors carefully and start the painting. Some final touch with white color and it's done. Give it a try yourself and you can share your work with us in Instagram account and tag us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of such amazing DIYs. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!